Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Grand Cherokee versus Discovery 4. Follow along as I break down performance, comfort, fuel economy, towing, reliability, and off-road capability so you can decide which suits your needs. I will highlight drivetrain options, interior space, maintenance costs, and resale value. Pay attention to real-world pros and cons and practical ownership tips to make an informed choice. I'll also compare pricing and trim levels to fit different budgets and lifestyles. Let's start with engines and performance to see how each SUV handles daily driving and trail demands. The Jeep Grand Cherokee typically offers more powerful V6 and V8 choices with sport tuning, while the Discovery 4 focuses on torque and smooth diesel options for steady off-road pulls. We'll cover acceleration, braking, ride tuning, and fuel use in realistic scenarios so you know what to expect behind the wheel. We will also touch on towing capacity and real-world economy. Quick recommendation: if this comparison is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content. Also, quick recommendation for meal prep. Those leak-proof containers make lunches spill-free and stack neatly, perfect for road trips or tailgate meals after off-road adventures. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set to simplify life. You'll thank me at grocery day. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll compare interiors, tech, and ownership costs so you can weigh everyday comfort against long-term expense. The Discovery 4 emphasizes practical seating layouts and clever storage, while the Grand Cherokee often features premium materials and advanced infotainment for a more refined cabin feel. I will discuss warranty, typical repair items, expected maintenance schedules, and total cost of ownership estimates to help you budget with confidence. Also, we'll mention resale trends and insurance considerations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.